How to fix app not installed error on Android in 2 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, after which tap on the settings application on your device. Next, go to the about phone option and select your version just to check any updates available for your device. So here it says no updates available, so it means we have the latest and updated version of the device. So we're going to go back and tap on the storage. A lot of times, due to lack of storage on your device, the app does not get installed on your Android as well. So after checking on the updates on your storage space, you can just go back and tap on the apps category over here at the bottom. Then tap on manage apps over here, and as you tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar and search for package installer. So just tap on the application over here and then tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can just clear the cache over here, and after that you can now go and relaunch the app and try to install the app, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.